And that is absolutely fantastic. Hi and welcome to a new video. On Sunday it's the 1st of Advent in Sweden, and something we do celebrate a lot in Sweden. You have this candle holder with 4 candles, and every Sunday you light one candle. It sounds very religious. It's not really. It's basically counting down to the day Santa arrives. But I'm going to prepare my candle holder and show you how we do it, but I'm doing it with a little bit of a British slant, to be honest, because, you know, I embrace both cultures here. So I'm going to use a candle holder that was not made as an Advent candle holder, but I'm going to use it because it's got 4 places there for the candles, and it's so incredibly beautiful. It's by Joanna Ling, and I bought it in her workshop. So beautiful. She has amazing pieces. You should really check all her stuff out. It's so delicate and beautiful and all handmade by her. So start with that, some sort of candle holder with 4 candles. And then in Sweden we use then moss to put here, but that's special moss that is treated so it doesn't burn. But here I got some proper moss from the garden center, and I'm just going to, I mean, it looks better than the prepared moss from Sweden, but this is, you have to be, you know, looking at what your candles are doing, because obviously this is a little bit insecure when it comes to fires. So I'm just going to cut out little pieces and put it all around. Ah! Bloody hell, what is that? He needs to go out. You don't want animals in there. Okay, it's all filled up with moss. You can still see this lovely shape of this lovely candle holder. And then we have these really traditional Swedish magic mushroom Christmas decorations, and just put them in. These have been with me for so long, they are covered in wax. We also got these little cranberries. You want to put those in. I always love the look of this because it makes it a bit magical. It's always my favorite part. Makes it a little bit childish maybe, but you know, I don't care. Christmas is all about being childish in my opinion. The more the merrier. A few of these as well. And then I got 4 candles. We only light one candle on the Sunday, and then we light this candle any day during the week as well. But yeah, but we wait until next Sunday to do this one. I'm totally hooked on saffron at the moment, so I'm going to make another saffron recipe. It's saffron truffles. It's such an amazing Christmas treat, so good, and it's so easy again to make, so yeah, do it. You need 300 grams of white chocolate, 50 grams of butter, about 100 ml of double cream, zest from 1 lemon, about half a gram of saffron. And then to roll this ball, you either need desiccated coconut or icing sugar, whatever you feel like. But you don't need both if you don't want to. Start by pestle and mortar your saffron. This is almost half a gram. Heat up about 100 ml of your cream. Add saffron. Oh my god, the smell. Oh my word. And then when it's really hot, you add, you add the white chocolate. Let it melt a little bit at a time. Let it melt and then blend it really well. And then put it aside off the heat. Now we need to just grate 1 lemon and add that to the mixture. Mix in the lemon peel. Then add the butter to a mixing bowl. It's good if this is room temperature, but that didn't happen with me. And then we're just going to whisk it with an electric whisk. Then add the mixture to the mixing bowl. And with the electric whisk, just mix it all. Try not to eat all of this now. Cover it with cling film and put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. It's been in the fridge for 3 hours and it's, you know, quite hard, and you can make balls from this now. So this is the right time to take them out. I'm going to roll them in 3 different things actually. So I was just going to do first desiccated coconut, icing sugar, but I'm also going to try to do toasted black sesame seeds, just because I love it so much. So take a little bit of the mix, like so, and then just roll it. And then we're going to roll it also in different toppings. So here's icing sugar. Now I'm going to do a desiccated coconut. They're very yellow, and when you do it with coconut or icing sugar, you can see the yellow, but when you do it with the black sesame seeds, you can't really see it so well. I'll do another one. It's like making meatballs. Oops, oops. Put it in the black sesame. This probably, I mean, I don't know, I haven't tried any yet, but I can see this being my favorite. Like so. Let's do them all. If the mix is getting room temperature, put this in the fridge for a little bit longer and then continue, because otherwise it's hard to roll the balls. Let's try one. They look amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is absolutely fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. So lovely. The lemon is coming through as well. I didn't think it would because there's not a lot in there. But yeah, that is amazing. I think my favorite is actually with the desiccated coconut. But yeah, oh, that is fantastic. Make this. This is unbelievable. And keep these in the fridge and then take them out as you want to eat them. They're so nice. You get quite a lot and they're extremely filling. So yeah, this is a good amount. Let's try one with black sesame seeds. So nice. Oh, that's really nice. But then I love black sesame seeds. Actually, it doesn't need it. For me, my favorite is actually the desiccated coconut, I have to say. Yeah, definitely make these. If you want a lovely little treat after your Christmas dinner, this is it. It's so small, but so full of flavors. So nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Come back next Friday for another one. Until then, have a great time and I will see you then. Bye.